We are on the verge of enormous catastrophes. My primary goal today is to reach those of sound mind in the hope that humanity will suffer as little as possible. It is essentially to understand that the earthquakes occurring today are incomparable in their danger to any that have taken place in the history of our civilization. Such earthquakes now occur every other day. This is our new reality. The consistent increase in magnitude 6.0 plus earthquakes is an ominous sign. Their destructive force is not the only cause for concern. What troubles me even more is that we are approaching a critical threshold. Trend indicates that within just 4 years, we may begin seeing earthquakes every 2 to 3 days across the globe, each comparable in magnitude to the devastating events in Turkey or Myanmar. And what could we have done? That is the question. In particular, I will speak about the unique technologies, physical principles underpinning these technologies. Specifically, the equipment designed to restrain catastrophic events. I would like to discuss in more detail the scientific achievements of an individual responsible for several breakthrough technologies that are already benefiting humanity. I believe the world must know its heroes. Set aside the habit of consuming information in short bursts. The subject I raise in this address is so critical that each of you must give it your time.